Okay everyone, so in this video tutorial we are going to solve an equation, and here we have x squared 2 minus x raised to square and then equal to 1 plus 2 factor 1 minus x raised to square. Okay, so the first things that we need to do, we have to write x squared, which is could be written as 1 and then minus 1, yeah, and then we put the bracket like this, and then we put minus x, and then all raised to square. Okay, so here which is still equal to x squared. Okay, when we delete the bracket here, and then we will get 1 minus 1 and then plus x, which is still equal to x squared. Okay, and then here we have 2 minus x raised to square, which could be written as 1 and then plus 1 and then minus x. Yeah, and then we put 1 minus x in the parentheses like this, and all raised to square. Okay, so now these two factors, which is still equal to this one, and then equal to this side. Okay, so now I want to remind you a formulas: a minus b, and then factor a plus b. So when we have two factors, which is a minus b and a plus b, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay, that is the formulas that we are going to use it to apply with the left hand side of the equation here. Okay, so then what we will get, which is 1 square and then minus b square, which is 1 minus x and then raised to square. Okay, and then we also put the same square here because we have the same exponent. All right, so then we got here is raised to square as well, and then equal to the right hand side of the equation is still the same. Okay, so here we have 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1, so we can write here is 1. Okay, so here we have 1 minus x raised to square, and here is also 1 minus x raised to square. Okay, so now let t equal to 1 minus x raised to square. Okay, so we will take t, substitute into this equation. So then here which is equal to t, and here is also equal to t. So now we got a new equation in terms of t. Okay, so then we have to solve it. So let's expand this. We got 1 minus 2t and then plus with t squared equal to 1 plus 2t. Okay, so then we have 1 here and 1 here can cancel out. Okay, so t squared and then minus 2t, and then when we move plus 2t to the left hand side of the equation, we will get minus 2t as well. So we got t squared minus 2t equal to 0, and minus 2t and minus 2t, which is equal to minus 4t. Okay, all right, so then we can factor t, then we get t minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so when we have two factor times together and it is equal to 0, so we can give each factors equal to 0. T equal to 0, and t minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and then equivalent to t equal to 0 and then t equal to 4. Okay, so now it is not the final answer yet. What we have to find the values of x. Here we have t equal to 1 minus x all raised to square. Okay, so then now we have to find the values of x through the following values of t here, and when t equal to 0, then imply that we have 0 equal to 1 minus x raised to square. Okay, so that will be equivalent to x equal to 1. Okay, and then next we have to find the values of x when t equal to 4. So when t equal to 4, imply that we got 4 equal to 1 minus x raised to square. Okay, so that will be equivalent to, so here we have 4. 4 could be written as plus or minus 2 all raised to square. Yeah, and then equal to 1 minus x raised to square. Okay, so then equivalent to, we got 1 minus x equal to plus or minus 2 here. Yeah, okay, so then we can find the values of x separately, which is 1 minus x equal to 2, and then another 1 minus x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so that will be equivalent to x equal to minus 1. Yeah, and then x equal to 3. Okay, so now we have found x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 3, and another one is x equal to 1. Okay, that is the root of the equation. Now therefore we got x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 is the root of the equation. Okay, so now we have finished solving this equation, and I hope you understand. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video, and we will upload many videos in the futures. And please don't forget to put the bell ring to get all the notification when I uploaded my new video. And goodbye, see you in the next video.